If you've ever thought about making money online, you've probably seen tons of videos promising quick cash, easy success, and life-changing income. But here's the thing. In 2025, the online money game has changed a lot. It's not as simple as it used to be, and there are some important truths that nobody really talks about. If you want to avoid wasting time and actually understand what it takes to earn online today, stick around. Before we get started, please hit that like button and subscribe if you want more honest videos like this. It really helps the channel grow and means I can keep sharing real advice with you. All right, let's get into the truth about making money online in 2025. 10. It takes more time than you think. One of the biggest surprises for most people trying to make money online is just how much time you actually need to invest before seeing any real income. The internet makes it look easy, like you can just post one video, sell one product, or launch a website and start making money immediately. But that's rarely how it works in real life. Whether you're starting a YouTube channel, opening an online store, or offering freelance services, it takes consistent effort over weeks, months, or even years to build a reliable income stream. You're not just creating content or products, you're building trust and relationships with people who might want to buy from you. People want to know you're trustworthy and genuine, and that kind of connection takes time to grow. So if you're expecting to get rich fast by just clicking a few buttons, you're likely to get frustrated. The key is to be patient, keep learning, and stay consistent. The time you spend now is an investment in something that could pay off for years. 9. Not every opportunity is legit. There are thousands of make money online offers everywhere, and in 2025, scams have become more sophisticated than ever. You might see ads for courses, programs, or software promising easy six-figure incomes with little effort. Some of these are real, but many are just traps to take your money or waste your time. Scammers now have professional websites, fake testimonials, and high-pressure sales tactics that can trick even smart people. So it's really important to be careful. Always research any program or opportunity before you invest time or money. Check reviews on trusted sites, look for proof of real success stories, and think critically about whether what they're promising sounds realistic. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Real online income requires real work. Avoid shortcuts that promise huge money with no effort, because they usually don't deliver. 8. Skills matter more than ever. The idea that just having a laptop and internet connection is enough to start making money online is outdated. Competition is huge in almost every online space, so you need skills that help you stand out. What kind of skills? Well, that depends on what you want to do. Writing, video editing, graphic design, marketing, coding, social media management, or even customer service. These are all valuable skills online. The better you are at your craft, the more chances you have to succeed. The good news is, many of these skills can be learned online for free or very cheaply. There are countless tutorials, courses, and communities ready to help you improve. Make a habit of learning and updating your skills regularly because the online world changes fast. So don't just jump into something without preparation. Spend time building your skills, and you'll have a stronger foundation to make money. 7. Algorithms control your reach. If you're trying to make money on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even marketplaces like Etsy, you need to understand one key thing. Algorithms decide who actually sees your content. These algorithms can change often and affect how many people view your posts, videos, or products. That means you can't just post content and hope for the best. You need to understand how the platform works, what type of content it prefers, and what your audience likes. Sometimes that means following trends, using certain hashtags, or posting at specific times. If you ignore the algorithm, your content might not get seen no matter how good it is. So learning to work with the algorithm is part of the job now. It's a little like a game where knowing the rules helps you win. And since the rules keep changing, you have to keep watching and adapting. 6. Multiple income streams are key. Relying on just one way to make money online is risky. Imagine you depend only on ad revenue from YouTube, and suddenly the platform changes its policies or your videos stop getting views. Your income would drop fast, right? That's why the smartest online earners don't put all their eggs in one basket. They create multiple streams of income. This might include affiliate marketing, selling your own products, freelancing, sponsorships, or even creating courses. Having several income sources protects you if one slows down or disappears. It also gives you more ways to grow your earnings over time. So if you want to make money online, think about how you can combine different approaches that work together. 5. Building an audience takes patience. Whether you want to sell products, offer services, or create content, having an audience is essential. But building that audience takes time and patience. It's not just about the number of followers or subscribers, it's about building a community that trusts you and finds value in what you offer. To do this, you need to post consistently, interact with your followers, answer questions, and genuinely care about their needs. Sometimes you'll grow slowly. That's normal. A smaller group of loyal, engaged fans is often more valuable than a large number of followers who don't really connect with you. 4. Quality beats quantity. Every time with so much content online, people have short attention spans and high expectations. Posting more often doesn't always mean better results. Instead, focus on quality over quantity. Create content or products that solve real problems, entertain, or educate. Make them easy to understand, visually appealing, and useful. When people find value in your work, they will come back and share it with others. High-quality work builds your reputation and trust. That reputation can open doors to collaborations, sponsorships, and sales. So take your time to do things well instead of rushing just to post more often. 3. Patience with monetization. Making money online usually doesn't start right away. For many people, the first few months or even years are about learning, experimenting, and laying a foundation. Most platforms require you to meet certain criteria before you can start earning money. For example, YouTube needs 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can join their partner program and earn ad revenue. Other platforms have their own rules, so don't get discouraged if you're not seeing cash right away. Focus on improving your skills, growing your audience, and delivering value. Monetization will come if you keep at it. 2. You need to be ready to adapt. The internet is always changing. What worked a year ago might not work today. New platforms pop up, trends change, and technology evolves. If you want to keep making money online in 2025 and beyond, you have to be willing to change your approach. This might mean learning new tools, shifting your niche, or trying new content styles. Being flexible and open to change is one of the most valuable traits for online success. It means you're always ready to take advantage of new opportunities and stay ahead of the curve. 1. Your mindset is everything. Here's the biggest truth no one really talks about. Your mindset is the foundation of everything. Making money online takes patience, resilience, and the willingness to face setbacks without giving up. There will be days when nothing works. Your content might not get views, sales might be slow, or you might feel like quitting. Successful online earners don't just work hard. They believe in what they're doing, stay motivated, and keep going no matter what. If you go into this expecting an easy ride, you'll be disappointed. But if you're ready to learn, grow, and keep pushing, you can build something real and lasting. So there you have it, the real story behind making money online in 2025. It's not magic or some secret formula. It takes time, effort, skills, patience, and a mindset that keeps you moving forward even when things get tough. If you keep these points in mind, you'll be much better prepared to avoid common traps and focus on what really works. Remember, building online income is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest advice on making money online in digital life. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.